Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, it's Trident's bath towel. So let's get started. This is my Trident 100% cotton terry towel with an MRP of 999, but I got it from Amazon with a 65% discount for just 349, and it arrived in a Ziploc packaging, and this beautiful purple color is stunning. By the way, you get 8 color options to choose from, and this is my second Trident towel and the color doesn't fade at all. Super reliable. So it is a 450 GSM towel, no loose thread, nicely woven and tight stitching all around. And let's see the absorbency. It soaks up the water instantly, no dripping, super absorbent. And the weight is 490 gram, almost half a kg. It's very lightweight, size is 70 by 140 centimeter. Perfect for full body wrap up. And one thing, 450 GSM means it's not too heavy and it dries quickly after use. It's gentle, plush, no skin irritation, and there is no chemical smell also, just fresh cotton fabric scent. And care instruction says that you can wash it with hand or machine, both are fine, but no dry cleaning and no iron. So I would say the towel is soft but not ultra luxurious, fairly decent and comfortable. Great quality, very absorbent, soft and quick drying. Overall, 4.5 out of 5. Reliable, comfortable towel at this price range. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.